So with that, inshallah ta'ala, we're going to finish. I wanted to mention one last thing. Should I? No, let me stop, inshallah. I don't want to take everybody's time. What we'll do, inshallah, before we leave, because I wanted to show the traits of the Ikhwan Muslimin. I wanted to speak about Ikhwan Muslimin real quick. I'll just do it anyway. Real quick. Ikhwan Muslimin. So here's a statement of the leader of the Ikhwan Muslimin. This is what he said. Now you can look at us and see if we follow this methodology or who really follows this methodology. Hassan al-Banna, who was the leader, the founder of the Ikhwan Muslimin, he says, your da'wah, meaning he's talking to the other people from the Ikhwan Muslimin. He says to his people, your da'wah and propagation of Islam is the most deserving for the people to come to, and you should not go to anyone. The da'wah of the Ikhwan is that the people must come to you and you're not allowed to go to anyone else. You can't go, they must come to you. Right? Then he says, right, go, pay attention. You should not go to anyone. Your da'wah contains all goodness, and other than that is free from deficiencies. Then he says, our stance regarding the different types of da'wah which have emerged and oppressed in this time and caused dissension between the hearts and disrupted the people's thoughts is that we weigh it and compare it with our da'wah. Everything we look at, we compare it to the way we give da'wah. This is what the Ikhwan Muslimin says. And whatever is in accordance with our da'wah, then we welcome it. And whatever is in contrary to it, then we're free from it. Right. Another thing, characteristic of the Ikhwan Muslimin, that they're hasty and excessive in their praising and dispraising others. So one of the things that they do, that one of the things that they do, that they're hasty and they're excessive in praising the people that are with them. And once you are not with them, then they are excessive in refuting those who are opposed to them. These are the characteristics of the Ikhwan Muslimin. And with that, I wanted to go into more, but there's other brothers that wanted to talk, so we're going to stop with that, inshallah. And if anyone have any other questions, we'll go at the end. We have the Q&A. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. And if I made any mistakes, if I say anything about those brothers that they come back and say it's not true, I made an error, then I own it. I'll take it back if it wasn't true. But everything I said, I believe is true. You have to prove to me what I said is not true. وَجَزَاكُمُ khairan, barakallahu feekum, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdik, ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant, astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk.